Did you know that your choice of sweeteners might impact your hair health? While we often think about diet, stress, and genetics as factors for hair growth and health, few people realize that what you put in your coffee or tea might play a role too. In this video, we'll explore if and how stevia might affect hair health. Could switching to this natural sweetener support your hair? Let's find out. There are several common causes of hair loss, and they are often interconnected. First and foremost, stress. Stress is one of the major contributors to hair loss. High stress levels can push hair follicles into a resting phase, leading to shedding and slower growth. Second is poor nutrition. Poor nutrition, especially diets low in essential vitamins and minerals, can weaken hair follicles and make hair more prone to breaking. Third is medications. Certain medications can have hair loss as a side effect. These may include drugs used for treating high blood pressure, depression, and other conditions. One factor that often goes unnoticed is the link between diet and hair health. Consuming too many processed sugar can spike blood sugar levels and increase inflammation in the body that may negatively affect hair growth. Could reducing sugar and switching to natural sweeteners like stevia benefit hair health? Let's continue exploring. The problem with refined sugars. Refined sugars are commonly found in processed foods, beverages, and snacks. While they can satisfy our sweet cravings, high sugar consumption can lead to serious health consequences. There are various health consequences of sugar. First is insulin resistance. High sugar intake raises insulin levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, where cells stop responding properly to insulin. Second is hormonal imbalances. Insulin resistance can cause hormonal imbalances. These imbalances may impact hair follicles, leading to thinning and loss. Third is inflammation and poor circulation. Excess sugar increases inflammation, which reduces blood flow to hair follicles, limiting oxygen and nutrients they need. But why stevia? Stevia is a natural, zero-calorie sweetener. Unlike refined sugar, it's plant-derived and calorie-free. Stevia doesn't raise blood sugar, making it an ideal choice for those looking to avoid insulin spikes. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, stevia may help support healthy blood flow, which is key for hair follicles. Keeping blood sugar stable can help prevent the hormonal imbalances often linked to hair loss. Stevia has antioxidant and nutrient absorption properties. Stevia contains antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which can weaken hair follicles and lead to hair loss. With a balanced diet and natural sweeteners like stevia, nutrient absorption improves, providing essential support for hair growth. Some scientific research and expert opinion on low sugar consumption. Studies suggest that reducing sugar intake may support healthier hair by preventing inflammation and hormonal imbalances. Research indicates natural sweeteners like stevia may offer similar benefits, helping maintain balanced blood sugar without harmful spikes. Experts note that stable blood sugar levels and reduced inflammation are essential for supporting healthy hair growth. Some lifestyle tips for hair health. Holistic habits support hair health with a balanced diet, regular exercise, proper hydration, and quality sleep. Switch to stevia as a natural, zero-calorie sugar alternative in your beverages and desserts. Here are some quick recipes with stevia. Make refreshing lemonade. Just mix water, fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of stevia for a sugar-free, hydrating drink. Stevia sweetened smoothies. Blend fruits, yogurt, and a dash of stevia for a nutrient-rich smoothie. Healthy energy bites. Combine oats, nuts, and stevia for quick energy snacks. So, reducing refined sugar, embracing a balanced lifestyle, and switching to natural sweeteners like stevia can benefit your overall health and hair. Try replacing sugar with stevia in your daily routine. Share your experience or ask questions in the comments. We would love to hear from you.